Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people will be dining with you today?
Good afternoon. There are 2 of us.
Great. Please follow me to your table.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Sure. I'll have a glass of water. And I'd like a lemonade, please.
1 water and 1 lemonade. I'll be right back with your drinks.
After a few minutes.
Here's your water and lemonade. Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
I think we're ready. Could I have the Caesar salad to start?
Absolutely. Would you like grilled chicken with that?
Yes, please. Grilled chicken sounds great.
And for you?
I'll start with the tomato soup, please.
Tomato soup, got it. Would you like anything else to go with it?
No, that'll be all for the starters.
Wonderful. What would you like for your main courses?
I'll have the grilled salmon with steamed vegetables.
Grilled salmon with steamed vegetables, excellent choice. And for you?
I'll go for the spaghetti bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese, very nice. Would you like any Parmesan cheese with that?
Yes, please.
Great. Would you like to add a side dish or maybe some bread?
I think we're good for now, thank you.
Perfect. I'll place your order, and it should be out shortly.
After some time.
Here are your Caesar salad and tomato soup. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This looks delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
A few minutes later.
How's everything so far? Is everything to your liking?
Yes, the salad is wonderful.
The soup is great too, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Your main courses will be out shortly.
Thank you.
After a few more minutes.
Here we are. Grilled salmon with steamed vegetables for you, and spaghetti bolognese for you. Enjoy.
This looks amazing, thank you.
Yes, it looks delicious. Thanks.
Is there anything else I can bring you right now?
I think we're all set for now.
Great. I'll check back in a little while. Enjoy your meal.
I think we're all set for now.
The customers begin eating.
How's your salmon?
It's perfect. The vegetables are cooked just right. How's your spaghetti?
It's really flavorful. I'm glad I ordered it.
A few minutes later.
How's everything tasting?
It's fantastic, thank you.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Sure, let's take a look.
We have some great options today. The chocolate lava cake is very popular, and our cheesecake is made fresh every day.
I'm thinking of the cheesecake.
Excellent choices. One chocolate lava cake and one cheesecake. I'll be right back with those.
Thanks.
Here's your chocolate lava cake and your cheesecake. Enjoy.
Wow, this looks incredible.
I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks again.
The cheesecake is perfect. It's so creamy.
This lava cake is amazing. The chocolate is so rich.
How was everything?
Everything was fantastic. The dessert was the perfect way to end the meal.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like the check now?
Yes, that would be great.
Here's your check. Take your time.
Thank you. I'll pay with a credit card.
Sounds good. I'll take the card when you're ready. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you. We'll definitely be back.
We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.